Hi, I'm making this video for people trying to get Antlr version 4 to work with IntelliJ for Java. It took me a long time, so I'm making this quick video to show other people. So you open up your IntelliJ thing, create a new project. I'm going to assume you're starting from scratch. Just make an empty project, doesn't matter what it is. First time you ever make a project, it'll prompt you to install the Java development kit. Link will appear, it'll do that all automatically. I've already done that. So then to install your plugin, you're going to have to download it from the Antlr site and then go to Settings, Plugins, Install Plugin from Disk, and select the zip file or jar file and click OK. And then it'll appear in this list, the Antlr 4 grammar plugin. You'll have to make sure this is checked. When it is checked, you can click OK and then restart everything. Now you will be able to use Antlr. Antlr files start with the or end in the .g4 extension. So I always have to end in G4. All right, so every Antlr file has to start with grammar, that's the keyword, and the name of the file. I don't know why you have to do this, you just have to do it. And you have to have two types of rules, parser rules and lexical rules. Parser rules are lowercase, and we can just, let's see, we'll name a parse rule colon, and we want this to search for the string hello. Hello space followed by a character. Alright, and character is our lexical rule. It is just a simple regular expression. It's not the standard regular expression, and syntax a little different. So for example, if you want to do all lowercase characters between A and Z, you normally would do A-Z. Seems a lot simpler, but here you have to do a string .z string, and that'll get all lowercase zeros. Everything has to end in a semicolon, and then now it's time to compile this. You have two rules, that's the minimum, one lexical, one thing, and now it should be able to work. So you have two options. You can right click on the file here and go down to generate Antlr recognizer, or you can Control Shift G to also do it, and nothing appeared, so it worked fine. If there was something wrong, like I'm missing a semicolon, you get this popping up. Okay, so then after you've got it successfully compiled, now the way to test it, you go to the first rule, you right click it and find test rule, and now this screen will appear, and this is whatever string you want. So it doesn't work, it fails this Antlr parsing because there's no hello. So let's put in hello, hello space, and now that accepted the hello part. Now it's looking for the char. See, missing char. So that takes any lowercase letter A, and here it has worked. And here's the tree, the hierarchy tree. If I put in another lowercase letter, it just stops. The file's done. Doesn't have any problem with that. For some reason, spaces seem to be special, so token recognition error is looking for a space. So I can do an or symbol and have it also look for spaces. And now, oh, sorry, recompile, Control Shift G, and letter, and it'll accept the spaces. So, good job. Now I notice I only did lowercase. If I wanted uppercase, I'd have to add uppercase. Pipe symbol for or, a z, and recompile. Control Shift G. Didn't like that for some reason. Oh. Oh. Doesn't like that. No. Let's see what happened. Not allowed. Oh, sorry. Okay, so I guess it did not like double quotes there for whatever reason. Right click on the rule, test rule, and lower uppercase. Yep. If I want to specifically register every single different character, I'd have to do a plus or star here to recognize one or more. Recompile. and now it has recognized and stored here in our parsing tree every single character. Notice it gave an error at the semicolon, but it continued to keep going. Remove the semicolon, everything's fine. So that's how to get Antlr working in IntelliJ.